Hi, everyone. Welcome to episode 5.
Today, we are going shopping for clothes.
This lesson is very useful because you can use it in real life.
And also because I have a problem.
M always has a problem.
Hey, not always.
Okay, today you do.
Yes, I bought the wrong size yesterday.
Of course you did. Quick question. When you buy clothes, do you try them on or do you just buy them?
Okay, let's go shopping.
By the end of today, you will be able to shop for clothes in English. You will learn words like shirt, pants, shoes, size, and receipt. You will learn how to say it fits or it doesn't fit.
And you will practice speaking like a real customer in a clothing store.
Em and Ben walk into a clothing store.
Wow, this store is big.
Yes, so what do you need?
I need new pants.
Why?
Because my pants are too small.
Too small?
Yes, I think my pants are getting smaller.
Ben, your pants are not getting smaller.
Then what is happening?
Never mind. Let's find pants. They look around.
I see some pants over there.
Okay, what size do you need?
I don't know.
You don't know your size?
I have many sizes.
That's not good.
I know.
Look, these pants are cheap.
Cheap is good.
Yes, but sometimes cheap clothes break.
Okay, then I want expensive pants.
Then, expensive is not always good.
But expensive sounds nice.
Okay. Ben picks pants.
I like these pants. Can I try them on?
Yes, let's find the changing room. They go to the changing room. Ben tries on the pants.
Emma, I have a problem.
Again? What?
These pants are too big.
Too big? Let me see.
Ben comes out.
Ben, they are very big.
I feel like I'm wearing a tent.
Yes, you need a smaller size.
Okay, I will try a smaller size.
Good. Ben tries again.
Okay, this one fits.
Great.
Wait, I can't sit down.
Then it doesn't fit.
But it looks good.
If you can't sit, it doesn't fit.
You're right.
Ben tries one more time.
Okay, this one fits. I can sit. I can walk. I can breathe.
Perfect. Buy it.
But is it cheap or expensive?
Let's see. It's expensive,
Oh no.
but it fits.
Okay, I will pay.
They go to the cashier.
Hello, I want to pay for these pants.
And I want to buy a shirt.
A shirt?
Yes, I like this shirt.
Do you want to try it on?
No, I know my size.
Wow, you're so responsible.
Yes, I am. They pay.
Can I have the receipt, please?
Yes, the receipt, please.
Thank you.
They leave the store.
Okay, I have new pants.
And you learned something important.
Yes, always try on pants.
Exactly.
See ya, store.
Bye, store.
See ya.
Take care. Now let's learn the key vocabulary.
Repeat after us.
Word 1, shirt.
Meaning, clothing for the top of your body.
Example, I bought a new shirt.
Your turn. Say, I want a shirt.
Word 2, pants.
Meaning, clothing for your legs.
Example, I need new pants.
Your turn. Say, I need pants.
Word 3, shoes.
Meaning, what you wear on your feet.
Example, my shoes are old.
Your turn. Say, I need new shoes.
Word 4, size.
Meaning small, medium, large, or numbers.
Example, what size do you need?
Your turn. Say, my size is, and say a size.
Phrase 5, try on.
Meaning put on clothes to see if they fit.
Example, can I try this on?
Your turn. Say, can I try this on?
Word 6, fits.
Meaning the size is correct.
Example, this shirt fits.
Your turn. Say, it fits.
Phrase 7, too big.
Meaning bigger than you need.
Example, these pants are too big.
Your turn. Say, it's too big.
Phrase 8, too small.
Meaning smaller than you need.
Example, these shoes are too small.
Your turn. Say, it's too small.
Phrase 9, cheap.
Meaning low price.
Example, this shirt is cheap.
Your turn. Say, it's cheap.
Phrase 10, expensive.
Meaning high price.
Example, these pants are expensive.
Your turn. Say, it's expensive.
Word 11, pay.
Meaning, give money for something.
I want to pay now.
Your turn. Say, I want to pay.
Word 12, receipt.
Meaning, the paper you get after paying.
Can I have the receipt, please?
Your turn. Say, can I have the receipt, please?
Now let's practice the grammar.
Today we focus on shopping phrases.
Grammar 1, I'm looking for. I'm looking for pants.
I'm looking for shoes.
Grammar 2, can I try this on?
Can I try these pants on?
Can I try this shirt on? Grammar 3, it fits. It doesn't fit. It fits.
It doesn't fit. It's too big.
5 examples. 1, I'm looking for a shirt.
2. I'm looking for pants.
3, can I try this on?
4. It fits.
5, it doesn't fit. It's too small.
2 common mistakes. Mistake 1. I look for pants.
Correction, I'm looking for pants. Mistake 2, it is fit. Correction, it fits.
Now repeat the key sentences.
We will say them 3 times. Slow, medium, natural. Sentence 1. I'm looking for new pants. Slow. I'm looking for new pants.
Medium. I'm looking for new pants.
Natural. I'm looking for new pants.
Sentence 2. What size do you need? Slow. What size do you need?
Medium. What size do you need? Natural. What size do you need?
Sentence 3. Can I try these on? Slow. Can I try these on?
Medium. Can I try these on? Natural. Can I try these on?
Sentence 4. These pants are too big. Slow. These pants
are too big.
Medium. These pants are too big. Natural. These pants are too big.
Sentence 5. These pants are too small.
Slow. These pants are too small. Medium. These pants are too small. Natural. These pants are too small.
Sentence 6. This size fits. Slow. This size fits.
Medium. This size fits. Natural. This size fits.
Sentence 7. It's cheap. Slow. It's cheap.
Medium. It's cheap. Natural. It's cheap.
Sentence 8. Can I have the receipt, please? Slow. Can I have the receipt, please?
Medium. Can I have the receipt, please? Natural. Can I have the receipt, please? Now you speak. Answer after the pause. You are in a store. What are you looking for? Sample answer. I'm looking for a shirt.
You want to try on pants. What do you say? Sample answer. Can I try these on?
The pants are very big. What do you say?
Sample answer. They're too big. The shoes are very small. What do you say? Sample answer. They're too small.
The shirt is correct. What do you say?
Sample answer. It fits. You want to pay. What do you say?
Sample answer. I want to pay. You want the paper after paying. What do you say? Sample answer. Can I have the receipt, please? Quick quiz. Answer in your head.
Question 1. What do you wear on your feet?
Question 2. What does try on mean?
Question 3. If something is bigger than you need, what is it?
Question 4. What do you say when the size is correct?
Question 5. What is a receipt?
Answers.
1. Shoes.
2. Try on means put on clothes to see if they fit.
3. It's too big.
4. It fits.
5. A receipt is paper you get after paying.
Your mission today? Practice a short shopping conversation.
Record yourself and say, "Hello, I'm looking for pants. Can I try these on? It's too big. Do you have a smaller size? I want to pay. Can I have the receipt, please?"
Say it 3 times. Slow, medium, natural.
Great job today. You finished episode 5.
You can now shop for clothes in English.
Episode 6 will be asking for directions, and Emma will get lost.
Hey,
Haha, see ya.
take care.